Hi everyone, I'm Jacqueline from the One AIChef Technology, and then I will show you our exhibition here.
This is like a smart oven. It's right now it's cooking, right?
Yes, actually it's cooking, and we have won the Red Dot winner in 2025, and then I will show you and demonstrate a little bit for you. Okay. And here you can pick a dish. Here the ingredients. 我需要一个虾。
And you just pick, for example, you're gonna make a garlic butter chimp.
Garlic butter shrimp. Okay, just wait a moment. Okay.
All right. So here at the CES, you have a lot of demos,
Yes.
and you're doing an AI-driven precision heat control oven.
可以。
Yeah. So
Oh, we changed to salmon. Is it okay?
okay. All right.
Okay.
And so what happens then?
And then, okay. Okay, this is the One AIChef Ultra now. Then I will put this salmon into it. Okay, and here we have the camera inside.
There's a camera.
Yes, we have a camera inside. Yes.
It can recognize that it's salmon,
Yeah, let's see.
Let me take a picture now.
and then it's just
Sorry,
automatic,
we're
or
taking
how
the
does it work?
video now. Okay.
So it can recognize it already.
You can recognize it, and then you just choose these dishes, and then you start cooking. And then
That's it.
Yes, that's it. And if you like to check the temperature changes here, it is in real time. The screen, okay, you can zoom
This is
in.
this is the salmon you
real
put there.
time. Yes, yes, exactly.
So
real picture
so
here.
does it do anything in terms of targeting the heating directly where the fish is, or it just the whole oven is being heat up? It's like a normal oven right now.
No, you can see that we have camera inside, and we have more than 10 sensors, and the sensors can tag different places of the ingredients temperature, and as the temperature is getting higher, the cooking process will get in faster. And here you can see this slept time here, and this is not the timing, it is the process.
So percentage.
Yes.
So when it's 100%, it's
done.
It's warn you,
It will
food is
warn
ready.
me. Yes, exactly.
So it's cooked just perfectly, not too much, not too
Too
little.
much, not overcooked or undercooked.
That's
AI
really
will take charge of everything.
nice. And
Yes,
if you
and also
on the other oven, is it working right now, or what do you see on that? It's like a whole menu. Is it
here,
Android?
Yes, you can check our recipe hub here like this. Okay, we already have 1,000 recipes already, and the AI cooking model can recognize 400, and it can do 1,000. Like this, the home cooking dish, you can just choose one, and then you follow to buy these ingredients, and then preparation steps, and then cook with this. It's okay. It's
Nice.
so convenient.
Does it connect with your app on your phone also?
Yes, actually we have the One AIChef app. You can connect with our app to check this recipe hub. And also
And then you can go to the grocery store to buy all the ingredients you need.
Yes, yes.
And buy how
exactly.
many you need, this, and
Yes.
buy it.
And then you just put it on the plate, and then put it in and close the door, and AI will take over everything for you. And also we have value-added recipe series like this global inspiration, like this, the tomato soup, like this. Okay, it's so simple for you, so convenient. Okay.
So right now, this this salmon is 38% cooked.
38% is almost done. Yeah, you
We can see the colors are changing.
Yes, exactly. And here,
the sauce is coming around of it and everything. And maybe you could have recommended to put some ingredients first.
Yes, exactly. That will make it taste good.
Is it possible to combine fry pan and oven, like in the recipes? There's a mix, or is everything for the oven only?
Everything for the oven, yes, because heating is so high. No.
So here it says 6 years of R&D innovation,
research and innovation.
600 engineers,
Yes, exactly.
3 million data instances, 50,000 elderly served with. Where there's 50,000 elderly? Is it in China?
In China, yes, for the village.
And what do they think? It tastes good?
They taste good, and that will help them a lot. Okay.
And how about professional chefs? Did they look at this? What do they think?
Oh, they think it will be convenient. You know, it's convenient. And for the chef, they can create by the AI cooking model. Because we have the chef mode, I will show you like this. We have the chef mode for the chef and the canteen that they can customize their own menu for their canteen. Yeah, by using this, he can change the temperature and cooking time and mass power of the dish. Yes.
When I use my oven, there's different mode where the air comes through, the air come up. There's all this automatically choose which direction is best. It has all the function automatically to choose it, right?
AI will choose it. AI will decide everything.
If I put a pizza, it knows how to do the pizza best.
Yes, because from the very first beginning, it is the first step that it can identify what the ingredient is, and then he take the decision of the next step. That's just like a chef's eyes. I have to know what I'm doing, and then I know how to cook it.
And you don't have a little sensor that you can stick inside the potato to know exactly what is the temperature in the middle of the meat, you know? Do you have this function also, or no?
No, we don't need that because microwave is so powerful that it can, see the bottom of the heat, the temperature of it.
So does it do microwave function or oven function or both?
The difference is so different.
It can do both?
Because, the microwave.
It can do microwave and oven?
Yes.
So
but for the traditional one, that they use the fixed power, you know. But we are using the 40 temperature control system to control every ingredient's temperature.
And 115 patents. Just last, because we have still 45 seconds before it's finished. Just what did you talk about all these people here? And today you will have event here?
Yeah, today it is the first launch in America here, and we would like to check if everybody loves us, and also we are seeing the American market. Hope you can contact us and let's discuss more with the AI chef.
What if I'm in Europe? If I'm in Europe?
Yes, we have already attended IFA in September, and then we come to see us for the first time.
So right now I'm looking here, it says 97%.
Countdown, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, complete.
Wow,
Okay.
Cooking complete, 6 minutes, 53 seconds.
Also you can mark if you like it or don't like it.
Okay, let's have a look. Can we have a look at the... Is it okay to open already?
Yes.
Yeah, the hut. So there is a finished salmon. And is it going to be delicious?
Let's try, okay? You can feel this, the plate is not so hot, but the food is hot because the temperature can sense different places. Yes, and I will give you a taste, okay?
400道菜，这个菜不是只是这种，我们还有各种的，比如说辣椒炒肉啊，OK，上番茄炒蛋啊，类似这种。
All right.
同时呢，我们这个炉子
Let's
呢
taste
1000道菜，
The salmon
1000做到。那这边这个
with the one AIChef
是我们的烹饪档，
oven.
它就决定这
The AIChef Ultra. Is there a price for this oven?
Yes, the price is $3,999.
小一半。
But for today, we have the discount of $1,000.
Nice. All right.
It's hot.
Thanks a lot.
Careful.
I will try small piece.
因为中国人最喜欢那种口感。
Okay, let's try it
所以
right
呢，
here.
目前呢，我们能做到能够 steam， 就是蒸的、煮的、炒的。braised。
That's very good. That's the best salmon I've had today.
它这个选择，举个例子。
Yes, we also can do all these methods. Yeah, all these methods.
中文版，有看到